That's it. The picture of the hotel. Like that. So hot. So empty, yes. Yes, now we are leaving the Seville. We are in the underground car park, going to our super Fiat Panda, our car. When you came 2 days ago, all this was full. There was like a barely you can squeeze your finger between those cars. Now there's like a nothing, nobody. So there are still few more destinations to see today, and next trip is next destination. Hola, señorita. Where are we now? We're going to
the amphitheater.
Amphitheater, yes. Because of my wife she's a fan of Game of Thrones. This is another location.
Yes.
It will be like that because sun is there, yes. So from now on, you can call her mother of all dragons.
Yes.
Yes. Dragon Den, lay the neck, come back next year, yes? You have purple dragon. Amphitheatro. Hello my friends again. We are in Cadiz now. We just park our supercar in the car park because we still have some time to check in. so we're just going to see around. But so far in Cadiz, for me, you have that feeling already. You are like in the Middle East, I don't know, like Africa mixing with Europe because of the trees and the climate. You can smell the sea. Completely different than anywhere. How we call that? In London? Not in London, it was in Madrid. No, Madrid. I think Madrid, Cordoba and Seville, all those crickets? Yes, noisy crickets every time, yes?
Yes.
Can you go a bit to the shadow? Noisy crickets every time here. So far I can hear like parrots. Parrots making sounds like that, I don't know. Okay, the Grande Hotel.
It's quite cool.
Oh. Ah, we're going there, okay. Look at that, we are at the Mediterranean Sea. I am at the Mediterranean Sea. Second time in my life. Yes, because always, one time when I was in France and Italy, yes. So I see that. Oh, it's in Morocco. No Morocco, Monaco. Sorry, no, that wasn't Morocco. Monaco.
It's sunny, but the wind is quite cool. Like, the cold.
Yes, the weather is good.
Yes.
Like in compared to Cordoba or Seville, because its city is hot. You have like a melting at some point. But now it's yes.
Yeah, the wind is a little bit cold.
I think the car show us was 25 degrees. Yes, but from the sea, that fresh air coming, yes. And we are here. Oh la la. So nice. I think somewhere there, if we go in that direction, I will check that, it's Portugal. And if we go there, it will be Africa. Hello. What do you want to say about the trees?
No, because I noticed like everywhere there's a lot of orange trees. As in everywhere, all
Yes,
roads,
oranges growing on the street.
But we noticed in Spain, in
Cordoba.
Madrid going to Cordoba, they have a lot of olive trees.
Yes, the whole fields of olive trees. When
All
you go
olive trees everywhere.
in Seville,
In
they
Seville,
have
a lot of oranges.
orange trees.
Same here in
Cadiz,
Cadiz.
orange lemon trees. Yes.
Yes. I just wish in the Philippines they do the same.
But in Philippines, you have mango trees. Yes. Look.
Yeah, but mango
Like
trees
here.
are not growing everywhere. Maybe in just provinces, because
Ah.
everywhere is like proper city already. They all remove all the trees. They just put like a,
But here, yes.
you know, just like tree for decoration. Not like here, like can just pick a
Yes, I get
fruit,
it. But now, like,
right?
see, like we are walking, and I can see everywhere all those trees are the oranges. Okay, but they're still green. But I think later you can just pick one.
Yes, imagine when they are all like ripe already. The smell of the fruit. So
Yes.
good.
Orange country. Okay, so we are checking in our small apartment in Cadiz. It's on the 3rd floor and there is no lift. This is the entrance. TV. Some like a small couch so you can sit and watch. There's a table, aircon, tiny kitchen, washing machine, hot water. Everything is provided, even like coffee, glasses, tea. When you go there, there's wife, microwave, fridge, towels, there's a bed, and behind that is a toilet with a shower.
Yes, we can put this one here.
So it's like that because
The hotels here
because
in
hotels here in Cadiz are
are
very
so
expensive,
expensive.
yes. So if you have a chance come to Cadiz, you can rent something like that. I think I paid for 2 nights, so it's like 3 days.
How much is it?
100, I don't remember, but around 150 pounds.
Yeah, because average is like over 200.
Yes, over 200, but you have the proper hotel. This is like a nice studio flat, you can call it like that, studio
Yeah.
flat, it's fine, yes.
Like apartment.
It's on the 3rd floor, so because there's big chunky marble stairs going up, there is no lift, so this is maybe disadvantage because before you
Yeah.
reach 3rd floor you are really tired. It's super
And
hot here.
especially if you have like a luggage and you have to carry all the way up. And I don't know how many steps you have to.
It's a lot.
Yes.
Okay, but anyway, the flat is nice. So far, Cadiz is okay. See you later. As you can see from the pictures, the Cadiz, especially the old town, is very narrow and tiny place. Barely you can squeeze a car or few people, yes, so you need to wait to pass.
You have to go on the side to let the cars
Yes.
pass.
And this is the oldest town in the Western Europe. It's over 3,000 years old. From that side, there's a seaside. It's surrounded by water. So in the past, there was no like access for enemies. And from the land side, where is Spain, there's only one bridge connecting that gulf. Gulf, yes,
Golf?
like that. Only one bridge. So in the past, also enemies cannot go in, yes. But now that bridge, when we enter, the now hanging bridge,
Hanging bridge.
hanging bridge.
It's
Yes.
so wide, that bridge is big.
But those buildings, yes, this is 3,000 years old, so probably you have some ruins at some point here, yes. But as you can see behind me,
The houses are still old designs.
almost all streets are like that in the Cadiz. So better here just to walk. If you have a scooter, it's fine, but
Yes.
there is nothing to rent here. I check already. No mop scooter, no electric scooter. Maybe in the new part of Cadiz, but here very difficult. So it's like that. We also the lady that gave us the keys, the Spanish lady, we rented that house from her. She told us at the evening, because the weather is very nice, to go to the beach, Playa del Sol. Sol is the sun, now you know in Spanish.
It's like
Now in Spanish,
she
Playa is
said
the beach, yes.
beach.
and told us
The sunset is nice.
to do sunset. So we go and we will see the sunset, yes. Especially as far as I remember, because in cities like we were in, let's go there. In cities like we were in Madrid or Cordoba or Seville, you have sunset, of course, but you cannot see the sun.
Yes.
Now there is a beach proper, there's nothing else. It's Atlantic Ocean?
Atlantic
Yes,
Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean, and only Africa. No more. So the sunset will be good. I think I'm hope to experience like in Philippines. Yes, when you have those nice sunsets. And one time when I in Philippines forget to take my phone from the window sill, but thanks to that we have very nice time lapse. Okay, see you later.